These niggas disrespecting that double cup. 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 You disrespecting that double cup. If he ain't got no drink in it, you disrespecting that double cup. If he ain't got no drink in it, I'ma keep drinking my double cup. And I'm gon' keep drinking my double cup. Always. Yeah. I'm codeine crazy, can't leave that drink alone. 2 cups stuffed sand in my lean, I'm gone. Can't get enough of purple stuff, I keep it in my home. That dirty Sprite got me feeling like my old song. Sipping on some scissor, sipping on some sipping on some scissor. While I'm tipping on a stripper. Got a nigga in the A that get that lean by the river. Bottom of my cup so sweet it's looking like a dessert. All this ice on me, I swear I'm looking like a blizzard. It's just me and my drink, nigga, fuck what you heard. Pour me up a drink and nigga, I ain't heard 2 words. Red over perk, nigga, that shit for the business. These niggas disrespecting that double cup. 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 You disrespecting that double cup. If he ain't got no drink in it, you disrespecting that double cup. If he ain't got no drink in it, I'ma keep drinking my double cup. And I'm gon' keep drinking my double cup. Nigga, codeine ain't cheap. Gotta drink that high tech. All that juice you poured in your cup, partner, I'm not impressed. Nigga, you ain't no drinker. Nigga, you ain't no sipper. Nigga, that ain't even lean. You just showing out for Twitter. I can tell you don't know no better. You still tryna find yourself. When you a real nigga like me, you ain't gotta remind yourself. I been cracking seals, pouring up back when we was sipping on Tussle X. That thick, yellow, gritty shit. Y'all niggas really wasn't jugging yet. Nigga, my cup dark purple, your cup light pink. Nigga, you ain't got a lot of me. Nigga, what you drinking? Lean? Nigga, disrespect the double cup. Broke ass, I'll learn some manners. Finna pull me up an A, go pluck more chicks than Colonel Sanders. These niggas disrespecting that double cup. 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 You disrespecting that double cup. If he ain't got no drink in it, you disrespecting that double cup. If he ain't got no drink in it, I'ma keep drinking my double cup. And I'm gon' keep drinking my double cup.
Hey, Juicy, man, I am not comfortable riding in the car with 2 white bitches, man. That shit do not look good. Let me tell you something. If we get pulled over, nigga, you are the Uber driver. You understand me? Bruh, you got too many drugs in the car. You got weed, you got syrup, you got Molly, you got Zans. Nigga, you is motherfucking Walgreens. We are traveling Walgreens right now, my nigga. You feel what I'm saying? I'm on probation. You done brought me all the way from Atlanta to Memphis, fool, just to violate my probation. What type of friend are you? You hear me? You take this bullshit too goddamn serious, bro. I mean, you got money in the glove compartment, your earrings. You got money right here up under my ass in the seat, bro. What the fuck, man? You ain't got no bank, nigga. This shit is crazy. Then you got all them damn dogs at your house, and you ain't even got shit at your house. Why all them dogs at your goddamn house, man? Man, you had me sleeping on the couch, man, with the chopper. For what? Juicy, you know I don't even know how to shoot the motherfucker. Fuck you, mean?